In this video, I will be going to show you how you can create your own professional microphone at your home with some easy available components. You will be amazed to know that the narration of this video has been done using the same microphone made in this video. So let's get started. First of all, we take a look over the star of this project, the microphone or the condenser microphone. First I soldered the black wire to the negative terminal while the red wire to the positive terminal of the microphone. Now I got myself with this 3.5 mm jack.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
I used an alligator clip to keep the jack in position. Now I soldered the respective wires to the positive terminal and the ground terminal of the jack. Now I used an alligator clip along with the heatsink to be used as a clip holder.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And